Hello, I'm Ken Carpenter, and this is Invest AI Savvy, where AI powers smart investing. Welcome to Wednesday, March 25th, 2026. Today's signal of the day is SRXH, SRX Health Solutions, trading at just over 12 cents. Before I break this down, let me set a tone for how signal of the day works on this channel. I show you exactly what BuzzPulse sees, exactly what Lunar Crush confirms, and exactly what the risks are. This is not a buy recommendation. This is what the data says and what the data might be hiding. Here's what lit up. Convergence Depth, 7 independent signal layers confirmed. Buzz Surge fired at a Z-score of 12.9. Explosive. Momentum confirmed. Sentiment positive at plus 3.4. Buzz price divergence flagged, meaning social attention is surging, while price has not followed. 7 layers agreeing is rare. Signal of the day requires a minimum of 4. SRXH cleared that bar by a wide margin. Now, here's what's behind that signal. SRXH is a $37 million micro cap with 11 employees that was selling pet food 3 months ago. They announced a reverse merger with EMJ Crypto Technologies, led by Eric Jackson, a hedge fund manager with real credentials. He called Carvana at $9 before it ran to $400. Bloomberg and Reuters both covered this deal. The person behind this is legitimate. But when you pull the Lunar Crush social posts driving that 400% engagement spike, a significant chunk is ticker spam accounts and Discord pump groups posting identical messages across dozens of tweets. The Z-score of 12.9 is mathematically real, but the inputs are polluted with manufactured engagement. On top of that, shareholders already approved a reversed split of 60-1, executable before March 31st, 6 days from today. The merger was supposed to be done Q1 2026, and it hasn't. And there is zero Wall Street analyst coverage. So what does that teach us? Convergence depth measures signal strength. It does not measure signal quality. A real catalyst with a credible CEO can still be surrounded by manufactured hype. The signal is real. The question is whether the crowd driving it is real, or whether you're the exit liquidity for people who got in months ago. That is exactly what BuzzPulse is built to surface. Let's set the scene for the broader market. The VIX sits at 25.8, elevated fear territory. When the VIX is elevated, BuzzPulse surges carry more weight because it takes real conviction for social chatter to spike when fear is running hot. Crypto is dominating the attention tape. 6 of the top 20 assets are digital, with Bitcoin dominance at 56.5%. Equities are largely defensive, with large caps posting negative 24-hour returns across the board. Overall sentiment reads a modest positive 0.064, masking a meaningful split between a bid-up crypto complex and a sold-off equity tape. In crypto, Bitcoin posted a Z-score of 10.6, with Lunar Crush confirming a Galaxy 58 and an AltRank improvement of 284 positions. Solana posted a Z-score of 5.2, with the highest sentiment in the top 10 at plus 0.38. Lunar Crush backs it up with a Galaxy score of 69 and an AltRank that improved 65 positions. Solana is the strongest confirmed social momentum play in crypto right now. On the equity side, Palantir stands out as a divergence setup. Palantir is down 3.21%, yet social sentiment reads positive at plus 0.20, a classic buzz price divergence. Social traders are framing this as an AI sector pullback and buying the dip. With 22 divergence signals on record this cycle across names like NVDA, Microsoft, AMD, and Meta, the broader market may be sitting at a positioning inflection point. If equity sentiment snaps back next session, those setups could resolve sharply higher. Turning to Lunar Crush crypto intelligence, Link leads with a Galaxy score of 83, institutional grade social momentum. Uni follows at Galaxy 70, and BNB rounds out the top three at Galaxy 69. Two urgent alerts fired overnight. LTC and DOGE both triggered Galaxy spike alerts at the high level. Monitor those closely for price follow through in the next 12 to 24 hours. Here's what to watch going forward. No major macro events scheduled in the next 7 days. This market is trading on pure positioning and sentiment. Without an earnings report or Fed meeting to anchor expectation, the crowd's mood is the catalyst. Watch whether those 22 equity divergence signals start resolving. If they do, this tape could snap back fast. Until tomorrow, I'm Ken Carpenter. This is Invest AI Savvy, and that's the way it is.